we're on our way to visit Erik's big brother, Gilvi, and his family, and they live in the farm. So we're gonna show you guys later Icelandic sheep and how it looks like in the farm here in Iceland. And someone is so excited to see the animals. Are you excited, Erik? Okay, and this one too. Are you excited? Yes. See you when we get there, guys. So guys, we really had to stop to show you how it looks like on our way to the farm. Look, it's so beautiful. Wow! Snow everywhere, guys. It's also really nice to come visit Iceland during winter time. As you can see, guys, this small town is and it's like 35 minutes from Reykjavik. In this town, they have around 2,300 population. We are going to the farm to visit your brother. Oof, it's really cold, but now we are in Selfoss, and it is the next town after Hveragerði. And this town, this is the largest residential town in South Iceland. This is also a really nice town here. Yes. We're here, guys. Missing one horn. So guys, these are the Icelandic sheep. You want to give grass to the sheep? Yes. Oh. Mikið fyndin. So guys, they are keeping around 400 sheep here in their farm during winter time, so they are just normally inside, and they also have stock for their food, grass. And yes, these are the Icelandic sheep. Hi. So guys, during summertime, of course, it's more greener outside, but now of course it's winter time. You don't see any grasses, just few trees. And as you can see, these marshmallows, I call it marshmallows, that is their food for the animals. So during summertime, they are collecting it, and they can also sell it. And this is where they keep all the grasses, the food for the animals. So during winter time, they have their food. Oh. and we're gonna finish our evening with a good dinner in Iceland.
Yes, Mama.
We love the pizza here, guys. It's really good, and they also have a bowling area here.
Yeah.
So,
Hi. Hi.
was it fun in the farm, Erik? Yes.
Hi.
Check my show. Is it good? Let's eat, guys.
Bara hafa bara næsta ár svona, eins og segir, ekki gera ekki neitt. Það er ekki að fullt og bara vera með að spila alltaf einu sinni.